Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to achieve my signature soft glam. I'm starting with a setting spray. I'm using that as my primer today. After spraying that on my face, I'm just patting that into my face before going in with my foundation. And I'm using the new foundation today, and that is the Huda Beauty Luminous Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation, and it's in the shade Hot Forge. I love the foundation so far, but this is the first time I'm using it, and I really love the coverage. I love the feel on my skin. I think I need to use it a few more times before I can give you guys like a full review of what I think about it. But first time trying it, I love it. And for the concealer today, I decided to try this hack where you mix your setting powder and your concealer to have like a full coverage. I did that and I was quite impressed. I love it. I think I will be trying it again. And this is what my face looks like after trying it. It is a hack I definitely want to try again. Take your time to blend in your makeup because the base is very important. Your base can either make or break your makeup, so you want to make sure that you're taking your time to blend in everything properly. I have been using this L'Oreal concealer and I love it. I'm going to put the shade on the screen for you guys, but ever since I got this concealer, I've been using it non-stop. I just love how beautiful it is on my skin and how warm. Whenever I'm going in for a soft glam, this is my go-to concealer for the moment. I just use this darker shade to contour my face, and I really love it. And of course, once you're blending in your contour, you also want to alternate with the other blender to also blend your concealer as well, so you're blending everything together so that everything just look seamlessly together. I'm touching up my under eye one more time before setting it, and that is to avoid excessive under eye creasing. And I'm not baking my face today, I'm just setting my face. I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. To set my contour, I'm using Thick Mint from Fenty Beauty, and this is a powder bronzer. I'm just using that to set all the contour areas of my face. I wanted this makeup look to be very warm. At the same time, I didn't want to use blush, so that was a perfect shade for me. And of course, reverse contour. I love this whenever I want my cheekbones to be precise. And I'm also just using this powder puff to blend everything together and just make everything look seamlessly. I will be going in with my Sephora micro smooth powder to just blend everything together. This powder right here is a must-have from the Sephora's collection. I recently picked up another shade from them, and that is 65 Tougher during the Sephora sales, and I cannot wait to try that one out. Look at what this did to my makeup. Like after putting that on my face, oh my god, everything just looks so smooth, and I love this powder. Trust me, if you use this powder, you really do not even need setting spray like that, unless you want your makeup to last like very long. But if you want something to make your makeup look seamlessly, try this powder out. I always go in with powder on my brows before drawing them because my brows are very oily. I take my time to outline the shape because this is very important. After that, I just go ahead and fill them in. Some days the brows are great, some days they're not so good, some days they look identical, but I just love how I draw my brows, and this is how I do it. I know in one of my makeup routines, somebody was asking me like, why don't I add my brows routine in doing my makeup routine? So this is the reason why I added this, just to show you guys the process of how I achieve my brows. Of course, I'm going back in with a Sephora Micro Smooth Powder to contour my nose, and this Maybelline mascara is a must-have. I use this, I rave about it. Definitely check them out. For the lip combo today, guys, I love how it turned out. I'm just using a regular black, I think this is a black eye pencil that I used, and I'm going in with a new shade of Huda Beauty lipstick. This is silky. This is so smooth. This is so gorgeous. I love it. I didn't even need to add lip gloss on it. If you guys know me, you know I love a glossy lip. I didn't need to add lip gloss on this one because it was just so silky and so beautiful. And there you have it. Thanks guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.